Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Now I'm gonna make a refreshing superfood, super healthy smoothie. Alright, this is gonna build your blood. Alright guys, and this is beetroot powerhouse stamina back, and I'm gonna put some of my sea moss Bladderwrack, and I'm gonna put a little piece of apple and some frozen banana, or you can use the fresh one over there. It's up to you. And I'm gonna put some almond milk, and that's it guys. Okay, so you want about half apple and about half of banana, or one, depends on what you have. Okay, all right, I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of sea moss and Bladderwrack, and this is my beetroot powder, and I'm gonna go in with about half teaspoon. All right, put that aside, and then we're gonna add some almond milk. You want to put about a cup to a cup and a half, and I'm gonna go in with 2 pieces of ice, and that's it. All right guys, and we're gonna all right, look at that. We're gonna serve up some. Look at the goodness guys. Woo. All right, we're gonna pour some. I just put my umbrella right there, and that's it guys. This is a superfood all by itself. You can just add the apple with the beetroot, or just the banana. You can add whatever fruit you want. All right my peeps, superfood right here, gonna clean and build your immune system, gonna purge and clean your blood and build your blood. If you're anemic and stuff, this is good for you. A glass a day, yeah, keep the doctor away. You can even drink 2. All right my peeps, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. Yes, and look at the goodness. Woo. All right.